Blessed morning everyone, another day, another verse of the day. So wait a minute guys, give me 1 minute to share the word of God.
He who keeps the law makes many offerings. He who heeds the commandment sacrifices a peace offering. He who returns the kindness offers fine flour. And he who gives alms sacrifices a thank offering. Sirach 35 verse 1-2.
So ayan, that's all for today. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform, mag-like and mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman natin kung saan naabot itong video na to. That's all for today. Ingat po tayong lahat and huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. See you again sa ating mga susunod na video. God bless us all. Bye!